Look at the son of the slightness.
Why did this friend do this? You're under arrest! I'm gonna kill you! Oh! I hate you! Elbozo!
Hey! Middle finger! Hey! F word, F word.
Stupid!
You're a stupid human.
You know what? You have two options.
By the way, I have 235 lives. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, thanks for that hug. I've been cold here for 150 days.
I don't like you anymore! You don't have any leaves!
Cousins! No! Come back! Trees always doesn't have leaves. Please!
Yay! Elemental game!
Never ever make this again. Sorry. This is not bad. Just kidding.
Oh, guys!